Edday Ndûmîrîri ni arekereria Ndûmîrîri agitariria gitumi giake guthie kuria USA na uria ciana ciake ciakorirwo affected na ndeto ici ikoretwo igithie na mbere gatagati wake na Samido. Edday ugite we niwe watiganirie na Samido ni undu wa ciana ciake makiria kairetu gake karia gakuru akiuga ni gatwikaga affected muno na ndeto ici atakugweta ritwa ria mundu wothe. Auga she left Samido na matire hamwe na hanini, akiuga akorirwo agitiga Samido to whoever needed him the most. Clarify ndeto Karen Nyamu aragikorirwo akiaria in a recent interview kuria Karen araugire Edday still together na Samido na gutire kuria arathie. Edday agetheria ndeto icio ugite she left that toxic environment makiria nundu wa ciana na ndari in that marriage anymore. Edday arauga she has managed kurora ciana ciake wega na to cater for their bills, for their needs, utari uteithio wa mundu o wothe. Ni ndeto yagikorwo igitigwo andu magithwa kiongo haria agikorwo akiuga ati ari kuria USA niwe urakita bills cia ciana ciake. Nitukuririkana hau thutha Suga Sabi ni agikorirwo akiuga ati Samido niwe wakorirwo agikita for their tickets guthie kuria USA na ni akoretwo akirugamirira maundu mao, akiuga she regrets nothing about decision making na akorwo akiuga let me clarify a few things that were shared online and not accurate. I'm not in any polygamous marriage. As stated, I left the husband to whoever needed him more. I made a decision to remove myself and my kids from that toxic environment, especially my teen daughter, who unfortunately is direct recipient of unbelievable behavior displayed. I have managed to sustain my kids' needs so far with no help, and I'm not regretting any bit of it. About communication and video calls, I will leave that one there, since some people seems to be present when that is happening, but I'm not aware. In this new season of my life, I don't need any drama. I need peace only. I hope next episode of this series, my name will be left out. Hashtag nothing but prayers. Hashtag power of prayers. Ni ndûmîrîri yakorwo ikirekererio ni Edday Ndûmîrîri thutha wa Karen Nyamu gugikorwo agika interview kuria aragikorirwo akihithuria ndeto ciganona ciegie relationship yake na Samido na makiria Edday being in the picture, na kuria aragikorirwo akiuga gutire kundu Edday Ndûmîrîri athiete, she's still in that marriage na Samido. No Edday ni agikorwo akiregana na ndeto icio akiuga she's no longer in that marriage, that relationship, akiuga we ndari in any polygamous marriage.